Most people searching for ways to make money online end up broke, scammed, or completely burned out. Today, I am going to show you the real methods that actually work in 2025. No gimmicks, no fake promises, just honest paths that regular Americans are using right now to build real income streams from their laptops. Making money online sounds like a dream until you realize how much garbage advice exists on the internet. Everyone promises you overnight riches with zero effort, and that is exactly why most people fail before they even start. The truth is, making money online is absolutely possible, but it works nothing like the YouTube ads want you to believe. It requires real skills, consistent effort, and honest expectations. This is not about replacing your full-time income in 30 days. This is about building something real that grows over time. Whether you are trying to pay off credit card debt, cover rent while you're between jobs, or just create some breathing room in your monthly budget, online income can genuinely change your financial situation, but only if you approach it the right way. Most Americans are living paycheck to paycheck, stressed about bills, and exhausted from jobs that barely cover their expenses. The internet offers real opportunities to change that, but you need to know which paths are legitimate and which ones are designed to steal your time and money. So let me walk you through the actual methods that work, the realistic timelines involved, and the honest effort required to make each one pay off. Most people think freelance writing means you need to be the next great American novelist or have a journalism degree from an expensive university. That belief stops them before they even try, and it is completely wrong. The real truth is that businesses everywhere need simple, clear content written for websites, blogs, emails, product descriptions, and social media posts. They do not care if you have a degree. They care if you can write clearly, meet deadlines, and understand what their audience wants to read. The correct mindset is to start small, build a portfolio with a few sample pieces, and pitch yourself to small businesses or use platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Contently to find your first clients. You do not need to be perfect, you just need to be reliable and clear. Here's a realistic example. Sarah from Ohio had no writing experience, but started offering blog post writing services for $50 per post. She wrote about topics she already understood, like budgeting, meal planning, and home organization. Within 3 months, she had 5 regular clients and was making an extra $1,500 per month while working nights and weekends. She was not special. She just showed up consistently and delivered what she promised. Most people believe being a virtual assistant means you need advanced technical skills or years of corporate experience. That is not true at all. The real truth is that busy entrepreneurs, small business owners, and even other freelancers need help with basic tasks like email management, calendar scheduling, customer service replies, data entry, and social media posting. These are simple skills that almost anyone can learn in a week. The correct action is to identify what tasks you already know how to do, create a simple profile on platforms like Belay, Time, etc., or Fancy Hands, and start applying for entry-level VA positions. Most virtual assistants charge between $20 and $40 per hour, depending on experience and tasks. Here's a realistic example. Mike from Texas lost his retail job during the pandemic and had no idea what to do next. He started as a virtual assistant doing basic email sorting and appointment scheduling for 3 small business owners. He charged $25 an hour and worked about 15 hours per week. Within 6 months, he was making over $2,000 monthly, and one of his clients hired him full-time remotely. He did not have special training, he just had basic computer skills and good communication. Most people think online tutoring is only for certified teachers or people with master's degrees. That mindset blocks regular people from accessing one of the easiest ways to make money online. The real truth is that parents and students everywhere need help with basic subjects like math, English, science, and even test preparation. If you were decent at a subject in school or have any specialized knowledge in areas like music, art, coding, or languages, you can teach it online. The correct approach is to sign up on platforms like Tutor.com, Wyzant, Chegg Tutors, or even create your own classes on OutSchool or Skillshare. You set your own rates, choose your hours, and work from anywhere. Here's a realistic example. Sarah from Florida was a stay-at-home mom with a biology degree she never used. She started tutoring high school students in basic biology and chemistry for $30 an hour through Wyzant. She worked 10 hours per week around her kids' schedules and made over $1,000 monthly. She did not need to be a certified teacher. She just needed to explain concepts clearly and show up on time. Most people think creating and selling digital products requires advanced design skills or technical knowledge. That fear keeps them stuck in hourly work forever. The real truth is that digital products like templates, planners, checklists, guides, printables, and spreadsheets sell extremely well because people value convenience and organization. You create the product once and sell it unlimited times with no inventory or shipping costs. The correct mindset is to solve one specific problem for one specific audience. Use tools like Canva for design, Gumroad or Etsy for selling, and start with something simple. Here's a realistic example. Tom from California created a simple budget spreadsheet designed specifically for freelancers. He spent one weekend building it, listed it on Etsy for $12, and promoted it in a few Facebook groups for freelancers. In his first month, he sold 18 copies and made over $200 in passive income from that one product plus 3 others he created. He was not a designer or a tech expert. He just solved a problem he personally experienced. Most people think affiliate marketing is shady or requires a huge audience before you can make any money. That is completely false and keeps people from exploring one of the most passive income methods available. The real truth is that affiliate marketing simply means recommending products you genuinely use and earning a commission when someone buys through your link. You do not need 1 million followers. You just need to provide honest recommendations to the right audience. The correct approach is to pick a niche you actually understand. Join affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, ShareASale, or CJ Affiliate, and share helpful content through a blog, YouTube channel, Pinterest, or even TikTok. Here's a realistic example. Amanda from Arizona started a simple blog about budget travel tips. She wrote honest reviews of luggage, travel apps, and budget airlines she personally used, and included her affiliate links. She had almost no traffic for the first 3 months, but slowly her posts started ranking on Google. 8 months in, she was making $500 monthly in affiliate commissions without spending a cent on ads. She did not have a huge following. She just provided useful information that helped people make buying decisions. Most people think starting an online store requires thousands of dollars in inventory, storage space, and shipping logistics. That outdated belief stops creative people from ever launching their ideas. The real truth is that print on demand lets you sell custom products like t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, and posters without ever touching inventory. You create the designs, upload them to platforms like Printful, Printify, or Redbubble, and they handle printing, shipping, and customer service. You only pay when someone actually buys your product. The correct action is to create simple designs using free tools like Canva. Pick a specific niche like dog lovers, nurses, or fitness enthusiasts, and list your products on Etsy or your own Shopify store. Here is a realistic example. Kevin from Michigan loved making funny quotes about coffee. He created 15 simple text-based designs, uploaded them to Redbubble, and shared them in coffee lover Facebook groups. He made his first sale within 2 weeks and earned $8 in profit. It was not life-changing, but 6 months later, he had over 100 designs live and was making $600 monthly with almost zero effort. He did not quit his job, but he had extra money for car payments and savings. Most people believe you need to show your face, buy expensive cameras, and become a personality to make money on YouTube. That belief is outdated and completely wrong. The real truth is that faceless YouTube channels using stock footage, voiceovers, animations, and screen recordings are growing faster than ever. Channels about finance, history, mystery, self-improvement, and tutorials make serious money without ever showing a person on camera. The correct approach is to pick a topic you understand, script your videos clearly, use tools like Canva or InVideo for visuals, record voiceovers yourself or hire someone on Fiverr, and upload consistently. YouTube pays through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links once you hit monetization thresholds. Here is a realistic example. Brian from Nevada started a faceless finance channel explaining credit card strategies and budgeting tips. He used free stock footage, wrote simple scripts, and recorded voiceovers on his phone. His first 10 videos got almost no views, but video 11 went semi-viral and brought in 15,000 views. 6 months later, he was monetized and making $1,200 monthly from ad revenue alone. He never showed his face, never bought fancy gear, and worked entirely from his apartment. Most people think coaching or consulting is only for people with fancy certifications or decades of corporate experience. That limiting belief keeps everyday experts from monetizing knowledge they already have. The real truth is that if you've solved a specific problem in your own life, whether it's losing weight, fixing your credit, starting a side hustle, organizing your home, or managing anxiety, other people will pay you to help them do the same. The correct mindset is to package your experience into a simple coaching offer, set up free discovery calls, and use platforms like Zoom for sessions. You can charge anywhere from $50 to $300 per session, depending on your niche and results. Here is a realistic example. Linda from North Carolina paid off $30,000 in debt over 3 years using a strict budget system she created herself. She started offering one-on-one debt payoff coaching for $75 per session. She promoted her service in debt-free Facebook groups and on Instagram. Within 2 months, she had 8 clients and was making $600 monthly. Within a year, she was fully booked and earning over $3,000 monthly, helping people do what she had already done. She had no certifications, just real experience and a system that worked. Most people overlook transcription and data entry because they seem boring or low-paying. That is partially true, but it's also one of the easiest ways to start making money online with zero experience. The real truth is that transcription involves listening to audio files and typing out what you hear, and data entry involves organizing information into spreadsheets or databases. Both jobs require nothing but focus and basic typing skills. The correct action is to sign up on platforms like Rev, TranscribeMe, Scribie, or ClickWorker and start taking available tasks. The pay starts low, often around $15 to $25 per audio hour for transcription, but you can work whenever you want with no boss or schedule. Here is a realistic example. Maria from New York was a single mom who needed flexible work around her kids' school schedule. She signed up for Rev and started transcribing podcasts and interviews during nap times and evenings. She made around $300 her first month working just 10 hours per week. It was not glamorous, but it paid for groceries and gave her control over her time. After 6 months, she moved to higher-paying legal transcription and was making over $1,000 monthly. Most people think dropshipping is dead or too competitive to work anymore. That is not true, but it's also not the get-rich-quick method that scammy courses try to sell you. The real truth is that dropshipping allows you to sell physical products online without holding inventory. When someone buys from your store, the supplier ships directly to the customer. The challenge is finding good products, running effective ads, and providing solid customer service. The correct approach is to research trending products using tools like Google Trends or TikTok, build a simple store on Shopify, connect suppliers through apps like Spocket or AliExpress, and test products with small ad budgets on Facebook or TikTok. Here is a realistic example. Chris from Georgia tested 5 different products in his first month and lost about $200 on failed ads. His 6th product, a unique phone stand for car dashboards, started getting consistent sales. He refined his ads, improved his product page, and within 3 months was making steady $1,500 monthly in profit. It wasn't easy. It required testing, learning, and patience, but it worked because he treated it like a real business instead of a lottery ticket. Making money online is not magic, and it's definitely not fast. Every single method I just shared requires real work, consistency, and patience. But here's the difference between these methods and the garbage you see in ads. These are real, these are proven, and regular Americans with no special skills are using them right now to build actual income. You don't need to do all 10 of these, you just need to pick one that matches your skills and your schedule. Commit to it for at least 6 to 3 months and show up even when results feel slow. The people who succeed online are not the smartest or the most talented. They're simply the ones who refuse to quit. Your financial freedom will not come from one viral moment or one lucky break. It will come from small, consistent actions that compound over time. Money gives you options, and options give you freedom, and that's worth every hour you invest in building something real. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who needs to hear this today.